So let's take a look at crypto now. And crypto, it's been really tight and it seems to be getting tighter and tighter, the range that it's in. We're looking at Bitcoin right over here. And you could draw this pennant on Bitcoin that we're pretty much at the end of the pennant. So within the next day or two, we have to see a break of this range. Which direction are we going to go? That's the question. Obviously, the bulls want to break out of here and do it with force and squeeze all of these bears that have been getting in, because obviously Bitcoin's been quite bearish and I'm sure it's attracted a lot of bears like myself in this. The bulls want to squeeze us. I'm still holding a short position on Bitcoin through an inverse ETF, BITI. I don't have a large position, it's manageable. So if Bitcoin shoots up 10-15% tonight, I won't be too happy tomorrow morning, but I will be ready for it and it won't be that bad in case, because I'm still in the green as it is. So I plan to hold this out a bit longer. We're going to see how it goes. I obviously wanted to break bearish to benefit my position. I don't know if that's going to happen. We got a bullish MACD cross on the daily. It's showing some strength. So I have to be cautious here. Bears do have to be cautious here. I think it still is in the bears' favor overall because we are on a downtrend. We didn't start an uptrend as of yet, but nothing is guaranteed. That's for sure. We'll take a look at some other cryptos over here. Dogecoin went up pretty nice today. When Coinbase talked about listing Doge on their platform on Coinbase Pro. But we take a look at Dogecoin and it is a possible bearish head and shoulder. So we have to keep that in mind. We got the left shoulder, we got a big head, and it looks like we're forming the other shoulder over here. That's not for sure, but this looks very similar to, let's take a look at SCR. And SCR had something very similar. I mean, it looks almost identical. We had that shoulder, that big head, got this other shoulder, and it's just been steadily declining from there, not doing very well. And it looks very similar on Dogecoin. That's not to say that's going to happen for sure. That's just to say, keep an eye out for that and be cautious. Ethereum continues to be stronger than Bitcoin overall. It seems to be fairly healthy consolidation around here. Ethereum bulls want this to be that bottom. They're trying to make a little bull flag here. It is possible that this is a little bull flag. It's riding that red line 4-day moving average right now. So it's possible this is a bull flag. They're trying to get that bullish MACD cross to head back up and retrace and regain some of those losses that Ethereum had. Ethereum is clearly stronger than Bitcoin. Bitcoin, same thing. I didn't take this in. This could be a little bit of a bull flag over here. So I have to be cautious being a bear because this could flip very quickly. Shiba Inu, not doing much. It looks like it's pretty much a dead stock right now. A dead fish. Similar pattern. Perhaps a little bull flag. Had a little push the other day. Doesn't seem to be too exciting right now. Cardano is one of the stronger ones. Seems to be pushing up almost to a higher high on here. It's had that double bottom. We had that higher low here. It's trying to push to a higher high. Cardano appears to be one of the stronger ones. The only one green at the moment, and the only one trading in that upper daily Bollinger Band as well. Going for that bullish MACD cross. The RSI is above 50. Cardano is one of the stronger cryptos I see out there. XRP seems to be holding around this $1 mark. It's got a bit of that double bottom. XRP is the only crypto that has this low, high, higher low, and a higher high right here. A little bit of a bull flag here. We're getting that bullish MACD cross. XRP does appear to be one of the stronger cryptos out there at the moment. So keep an eye on XRP. We look on the weekly chart though. And this is where I start to see some concerns with some of these cryptos. On the daily, they don't look too bad on the daily chart. Looks like potential double bottom, a little bit of a bull flag, getting a little bit of the bullish MACD cross. It seems to be a similar story throughout the crypto space. But you look on the weekly chart and it doesn't look too strong. The red line, 4-week moving average, simple moving average, is acting as a resistance right now. 2 upper wicks of profit taking on the weekly. That's over here on XRP. Ethereum looks very similar. Bitcoin, quite similar, but Bitcoin clearly weaker, not as much of a bounce. It does look like a potential bear flag, so let's be cautious here. Doesn't mean it's going to be a bear flag, doesn't mean it's going to follow through for sure. It just means the potential is there. Keep your eye out. Now, can we push and move up above this red line? Yes, absolutely. Right now, you can see the red line 4-week moving average is acting as a resistance, but that could change at any time. I would be cautious on both sides over here because we got this potential bull flag. We're in this tightening range. It could break either way and see a nice move either way, 10, 15, 20% move either way in a short period of time. So let's keep an eye out for that. I think the story throughout most of the cryptos is the same, but like I said, XRP appears to be one of the stronger ones. Ethereum much stronger than Bitcoin as far as I could see. Dogecoin showing some strength. Buy the news right now because Coinbase talking about it, but we don't know how long that hype is going to last. Again, looks like a big potential bearish head and shoulders pattern, so let's be cautious there on Dogecoin. Link, one of the stronger ones as well, one of the only ones that broke the high of the rebound from the big initial drop. It's got that higher low, another bull flag. It wants to break this high over here to continue this newly forming uptrend. It's got the bullish MACD cross. So it appears, as far as I could see, is the ones I've looked at, that Link, Cardano, XRP are the strongest ones. Ethereum isn't too far behind. Dogecoin, I would be cautious because of what appears to be a bearish head and shoulders pattern over here. And Bitcoin appears to be one of the weakest, if not the weakest ones. And it also could be a big bearish head and shoulders as well. I've had a few people point that out, but nothing's confirmed yet either way. Now, just because we were in a downtrend, it does favor the bears as of now. But once again, if we start getting those higher highs, break this pennant bullish, things could start go back in favor of the bulls. Now I have my bias, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to go with what the charts are telling me. Right now, the charts are telling me be cautious on either side. I'm not too sure. My bias tells me Bitcoin should be worth 0. That's my bias. Okay, I'll explain why. I'll make another video. I'll explain why I think that. But that doesn't matter. I would still go bullish. I was bullish Bitcoin up here to some extent. I was trading it bullish because that's what the trend was. That's what the pattern told me. But, you know, as soon as I saw this big rising wedge up here, which was quite clear, it was pretty evident to me that things were turning on Bitcoin once it broke this rising wedge bearish. And then it also appeared to have a big head and shoulders pattern as well. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown. So we'll see from here. Bulls are trying to change things back in their favor. There's no confirmation either way yet, but the trend is still in favor of the bears as of now. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to leave that video here. Happy to update you. Hope you keep doing well. Enjoy your crypto. Enjoy your gains. Hopefully you have some nice gains. Again, if I was looking at any of these the most bullish, I'd probably be going with Cardano and XRP. If I was bullish on any of these right now, those look the most bullish to me. And Bitcoin appears to be the weakest. That's my opinion. Do your own due diligence with anything I say. Always make your own decisions in the end. That's my thoughts. Have a great night, guys.